subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has silently launched its new A-series smartphone in Thailand called Oppo A77. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo A77 5G features a 6.56-inch HD Plus display with up to 90Hz refresh rate support, and it has a tall 89.8% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 810 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 5GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB UFS 2.2 storage with microSD expansion support. In terms of camera, the Oppo A77 5G supports a dual camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 48MP main camera with f1.7 aperture and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 33W Superbook fast charging, and it runs on Android 12 based on ColorOS 12.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it is IPX4 rated for splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.8 by 75.1 by 8mm, and it weighs around 190 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo A77 5G has been reported to be priced in Thailand at 9,999 Thai baht, and it is set to go on sale starting from June 10th in ocean blue and midnight black color options. So what do you guys think of this Oppo A77 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.